Hi everyone, it's Anna with Pink Monarch Prints. I'm here with a really quick video. This is from our May subscription kit. I will link it below if you want to see this one. But sometimes I'll add a new kind of idea or get a fun new idea to add to a kit. And this is one of those where I just had some fun ideas I wanted to play around with. So this all comes on one sheet. And what these are is these are kind of these, I don't know what you call them, a tag, double tag, or you could even glue that into a journal or stick it into a pocket because there is journaling on the back as well. But I wanted to give a quick run through of what I envisioned with these. If you see something else, go for it. But this is just kind of what I was thinking of when I did these. So there are 4 cards, 4 tags, and 4 different kinds of, I guess you could almost call them a belly band, but they're not just straight, they're decorative. So you got to pick which one you want on which card, and then just start putting these together. So let's put a few together and just see what we come up with. They're very interchangeable, so it doesn't matter which one you put on which design. Just kind of throw them up there and see what color scheme you kind of like. Yeah, I kind of like that monochromatic look. I think that'll be cute. And then we're just going to go ahead and get these glued on. And in the kit, there's on this page, there's a bunch of these little goodies to add to these to do some layering on the front of these pockets. But the kit also has a bazillion other things that you could add on here, or even different tags that you could tuck inside of these if you want a different style. So just keep that in mind, but I thought for simplicity's sake, I should just kind of use what is on that page so you guys get a really good idea of what is on that exact page. I think I want to go ahead and punch a small hole. I'm going to be eyeballing this, and that's okay if they're not perfect. You could put in an eyelet there if you wanted it, but I'm trying to keep it so things aren't getting too bulky. And these are already printed on cardstock, so there is a good amount of bulk to them where they're going to be just fine if I punch a hole. I have some little twine, so if you wanted, you could add just a little tiny little twine thing, or you could do lace or whatever. Tons of options and very easy to make, kind of relaxing. So that is what that is going to look like if you add a little string up top, or you could use one of these to create like a pole, whatever you want. So these are meant to be like journaled on, or a little picture, or you could decorate the fronts of these. I think I'm going to just leave these kind of blank for now and just show how I'm going to decorate the fronts of them. And I won't put a string in all of them just because that's not going to be something you want to watch. But all right, then you got to decide. There's 2 butterflies. You can always get more fussies. Like, I have this giant bird I've been wanting to use on a project, but it would take up like the entire thing. So I probably won't use that one. But there's plenty of small fussies in this kit. I love that contrast with this kind of a light brownish green. And I love that simplicity of the monochromatic pink. So I think I'll use my butterflies there. And I think I have enough for kind of 2 pieces on each one. It's just so fun to do the butterflies. Maybe like a little collage like that. I think that's enough for there. kind of a layered look. I like that. Let's see. I do like that. Oh, they all look good. That's cute. We'll add an extra little ticket back behind here. Okay, so once you decide kind of where you want things, then you can go ahead and just start gluing down those elements. And this is just, as you can tell, a really quick, easy, relaxing, kind of fun piece of ephemera to make for your journal. And there's a couple more from this kit I'll be doing the videos on, just so you can see these pages in action, because I know sometimes people are like, wait, what do you do with that? So I want to make sure I get the videos made for all of them so you can kind of get a feel for what we envision. But keep in mind that these items are all very interchangeable. So if you see another idea, go for it. Just nice and fun. Oh, I should mention I printed all of it on lightweight cardstock, and for some reason that's crooked. I think I got my whole band on there crooked. Oh well. Yeah, I printed everything on a lightweight cardstock, and I did ink everything beforehand just so you don't have to watch me ink. But anyway, a way fun idea, and you can do this with any journaling card you have. Just create a little type of a belly band. I thought that this was fun just to use some other shapes rather than just strips of paper. So I wanted to give it a try, but let me show you what they look like. They're really cute. And these will be great pieces of ephemera for my journals. And I'm really excited to use them. So anyway, give it a shot. It comes with everything you need. It's instant, wonderful, fun success. And I hope you have a good time with it. We will talk to you later. Bye.